Hi, it's Tim. Welcome to the channel and a very happy Christmas to all of you. Now, about this time of year, usually I would be embarking on some kind of a project, building a computer, building a PC. But this year I was planning to build a 6502 based SBC, single board computer. Unfortunately, the politicians of the world and this thing called Brexit threw their toys out of the pram, so sadly that's not going to happen. Instead, we are going to build this. So this is the Pantasy iGame gaming desktop, kind of a Chinese Lego knockoff. You will have seen similar computers built by other YouTubers, but this one is slightly different. This is a gaming computer. It's a tower build. So why did I go for this one? Well, partly because it was cheaper. Well, mostly because it was cheaper. So I don't know how many bricks it is. It doesn't actually say, but it's nice and big. It's chunky. Let's open it up and let's get building. So we'll start with a traditional unboxing. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Tape on the top. Including a holographic security seal. Pantasy. This is distributed in the UK by Brikk. I will put a link in the description to the store on Amazon where you can buy it. The link, of course, will be an affiliate link. Everything helps the channel, so whether you buy one of these or something else. So what have we got? Lots and lots and lots of bricks. And instruction 15 plus 85004 iGame gaming desktop. Stickers. That is clearly going to be a graphics card. And that is a silver logo. Yeah, you can see the logo on the front there. The iGame M600 Mirage chassis. So this is based on a real chassis. I will put a picture of that up in a second. Features multiple layers of RGB lighting covering its body. Magnetic switch physically protects data security and avoids the trouble of pets accidentally turning off the power. Wow. So we have 7 stages of making it. And what we are going to do is we will fast forward through each stage and we'll stop and look at the end of each of the 7 builds and see how far we've got. So clearly there's more than 7 bags. Right, let me sort these bags out and we will come back. So we've got 3 bags labelled number 1, 3 bags labelled number 2, 2 bags labelled number 3, 2 bags labelled number 4, 2 bags labelled number 5, 3 bags labelled number 6 and 2 bags labelled number 7. Plus we have some base plates, the manual and the stickers. So we are going to start with bag number 1. So in part 1 we made basic chassis. In part 2 we're going to make the faceplate that goes onto the back. And so on to part 3, the top. And there we have part 3. Bag 4, we're almost halfway. And there we have bag number 4. We are just over halfway. And so bag 5, the motherboard. And that's the motherboard, or at least half of the motherboard. We've got CPU and we've got memory. And now on to bag 6. Right, let's go. And there we are, that is bag number 6. So we've got our motherboard, we've got, I guess, a water cooling system. And so on to bag number 7. The final 2 bags. So we're missing one black 1x2 plate, which I don't have a spare of, but I've got this dark blue which is wrong, but it will do for now. We're going to cover it up with a sticker in any case. So the final step is to fit the light brick. So it's not very long. And there we are. Let me turn the lights down so we can see the effect. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a very happy Christmas. See you next time. See ya.